Hey, how are you doing? It's Tammy Lynn Hancock, and I'm the little engine that could. And you can be the little engine that could too, if you just don't give up. Today I wanted to talk to you briefly about attraction marketing and why it sets you apart from everybody else. When we all join, hey April, when we join a network marketing company, the network marketing company gives us a manual. Our upline might have us have a great launch. Hey, good morning, April. And you know what they want us to do is they want us to use Facebook and brand their product and promote their product. They don't care how we do it. Hey, Lori, they just care that we do it. But the problem with doing your marketing this spammy way is that you're not going to attract people to you in the long run. So let's talk about what attraction marketing and why it is different from the way your network marketing company wants you to do, which is they'll tell you do live videos on your Facebook about your product. Spam, spam, spam. Talk about your flash sales and all those kind of things. The problem with that is that they are not using Facebook the way it's supposed to be used. And when you don't use Facebook, you can be out there doing all that stuff. Try to do it. You're going to reach a few people, but Facebook is not going to promote your ads. They're not going to promote your videos, and your audience is going to be very small. So you're not working smart. You're never going to grow. You're going to gain some people, but you're never going to grow. So attraction marketing is breaking out of the box. Attraction marketing is saying that what I'm going to do is I'm going to change up and use Facebook the way it's meant to be. I'm going to level up and show people that attraction marketing isn't a pyramid scheme. Network marketing is not a pyramid scheme. We're not a bunch of people who are pushy salespeople. Network marketing companies want you to be the hunter. Attraction marketing is you are the hunted. Think about that. Network marketing wants you to be the hunter, and when you hunt people, they run away. In attraction marketing, we become the one that's hunted. And why are these people hunting after us? Because, first of all, we are showing ourselves to be real people, and we are being vulnerable. We are making our profiles public. We are talking about our lives. We have shared things about ourselves, but we're not spamming about our company. We're not saying we're an entrepreneur. We're not telling you we're a network marketer. All you know is that we're a nice person that's out there, okay? That is going to be attracting people to you. Attraction marketing turns you into a sponge. And when you are a sponge, people will come running to you. Now, what do you do as you're trying to build your business online with attraction marketing? Excuse me. First of all, you have to determine, are you in a company that you are passionate about? If you're not passionate about it, you're not going to talk about it. If you're in a company with skincare and you like it, but you don't wake up thinking about skincare every day, then that's not your passion. That might be a great company to use the products from, but it's not your passion. Get into a company that's your passion. So sometimes it takes us doing some soul searching inside to define what our passion is. When you know what your passion is, then what you want to do is use your Facebook page now to give out information. Give. So this is entirely different than what our network marketing companies are telling us to do. They want us to take. In attraction marketing, you give. You're a person of value. You're sharing yourself. You're sharing ideas. You're sharing helpful tips. And when you do that, you're going to attract people that have like mind to you. Okay, so let's use an example. Let's use the skincare example. Say you're in a skincare company and you love your skincare, so that's your passion. So you can talk about skincare all day. You can talk about how if when you have a bad acne breakout, that you don't rub it because that only irritates the pores and makes your acne get worse, right? So what you want to do is you want to attract other people that have skin problems. And people who have skin problems are going to want to come and watch your video because you're going to be giving them some helpful information about how they can get rid of their acne. Do you see how that works? And then you're going to be attracting people to your Facebook page, your profile, who are interested in that. And that's how the ball of attraction marketing gets running. So let's just replay a little bit here. Attraction marketing is not hunting, okay? You are the one that's being hunted. People are coming to you. Attraction marketing is giving. Attraction marketing is not having your product on your page at all or talking about that at all. Attraction marketing is being a person of value. Attraction marketing is posting important information to your target market, the people who you want to attract to you. And people are either going to be attracted to you or not. It's just like when you fell in love with somebody. You either like them or you don't. And if people like you, they will know, like, and trust you, and then they will want to buy from you. It really does work. Some of the top people in the industry are using attraction marketing, and it sets us apart. It sets you apart as being more of a professional. And so what I would encourage you today is to look at what your marketing strategy is. You have to be willing to step out of the box. You have to be willing to invest in yourself, get the tools you need to build your business up, find out about what attraction marketing is, get some help in understanding that. Am I making some sense to you? I see some people watching. Give me some thumbs up, give me some fist punches or some hearts to let me know that I'm resonating with you, that you're picking up with me. I need you to really feel like you're serious about your business. If you're just looking for $50 a month, then you probably don't want to put the energy into attraction marketing. But if you're really seriously wanting to build a business, something that can give you 4 figures and more, thanks for those hearts, you can do it with attraction marketing, but you have to be willing to break out of the box, do things different, and surround yourself with positive people. You have to be willing to be stubborn. You have to be willing to post on your Facebook page every single day and don't give up. You have to be willing to be vulnerable and transparent to show yourself as somebody being real. So that means that sometimes you're going to be posting when you look ugly. Yeah, like I did one the other day and I was highlighting my hair. And I thought, oh, that's life. I can't look beautiful all the time. And I did one the other day when I was sick and my nose was all red. Hey, that's life. The important thing is that they saw me as a real person. So I hope today that my goal is to help you educate a little bit more and get a clearer picture of what attraction marketing is, to motivate you to switch things up and be willing to step out of the box. And if you need help, I'd be willing to help you. I'd like you to hit a number 1 below if you need some help in learning how to do attraction marketing. I can help you with that. I'd be glad to message you one-on-one. If you've got any questions, feel free to post them below. As always, feel free to share this if you feel this video would be helpful to some other people. And I hope to be able to go on and talk a little bit more about some more details of how to use and implement attraction marketing. It just seems that right now a lot of people are just trying to understand attraction marketing, so I keep having to go over the same thing, but I'm glad to do it because repetition gets it in our head. Yeah, Debbie, I will get back to you, Debbie, and we can talk a little bit more. So I hope you found this helpful. If you want to see some other information, you can scroll down and watch some other videos on my page. But I will look forward to talking to you next time, and we'll learn some more. And remember that you can be the little engine that could if you just don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. God bless.